At a slight angle, insert the ElitePad onto the 70-pin connector on the jacket assembly, and lower the ElitePad into position on the jacket assembly. Important: ensure that the edges of the ElitePad are flush with the edges of the jacket assembly. Starting with the top edge of the jacket cover, place the jacket cover onto the jacket assembly. Important: ensure that the power button is properly positioned in the cutout in the jacket cover. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the jacket cover until it snaps onto the jacket assembly. Turn the jacket assembly over and apply pressure to the back of the assembly to ensure a secure fit between the jacket cover and jacket assembly. Turn the ElitePad assembly over. Important: in the next two steps, you should only partially screw in each screw in order to ensure proper alignment of the jacket cover with the jacket assembly. Insert and partially screw in the four 3mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the top edge of the jacket cover to the jacket assembly in the numerical order shown. Insert and partially screw in the 8 4mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the remaining edges of the jacket cover to the jacket assembly in the numerical order shown. Tighten all 12 screws to a torque of 2.0 plus or minus 0.2 kilograms centimeters in the numerical order shown. Turn the ElitePad assembly over. Remove the two quick-release pin plugs from either the left or right side of the ElitePad assembly, depending on where the handle needs to be installed. Align the holes in the handle with the quick-release pinwells on the ElitePad assembly. Insert a quick-release pin into each well by pressing down on the head of the pin, inserting the quick-release pin into the well, and releasing the head of the pin. Important: test the handle after both pins have been inserted to ensure the handle is securely fastened to the ElitePad assembly. After you've tested the handle, remove the handle and quick-release pins and replace the two quick-release pin plugs for shipping purposes. Remove any stickers or tape from the outside of the ElitePad assembly. Power on the ElitePad assembly using the power button. Plug in the AC adapter and verify that the battery is charging. Check the following ports and devices. USB. Insert a USB device into the USB port on the bottom edge of the ElitePad assembly and verify that it is properly installed and functional in Windows 8. HDMI. Attach a monitor to the ElitePad assembly through the HDMI port on the bottom edge of the ElitePad assembly and verify that a video signal is being output to the monitor. Barcode scanner. Press the left scanner button and verify that the scanner outputs a red crosshair, which is used to align the scanner to a barcode, and a green circle when the barcode scan is successful. Check the right scanner button in the same manner. Smart card reader. Insert a smart card into the smart card reader on the back of the ElitePad assembly and verify that the smart card LED is illuminated. USB dongle. Attach the HP USB dongle to the ElitePad assembly and verify that a "Not Valid Designed for ElitePad" message is not appearing for the USB dongle. Insert a USB device into the USB port on the USB dongle and verify that the USB device is properly installed and functional in Windows 8. Verify the functionality of both the volume up and volume down buttons on the back of the ElitePad assembly. Verify that a "Not a Valid Designed for ElitePad" message is not appearing for the ElitePad jacket. Place the unit in shipping mode.